Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can download and remove TikTok watermark from TikTok videos. Okay, so you can be able to reuse them again, maybe to post it on your Facebook page, Instagram or YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to show you 3 major platforms that you can make use of to remove these watermarks from TikTok videos. So stay put while I share my computer screen with you. Thank you. So here you can go to TikTok. Okay, so you can pick any video. It can be your own video or some other person's video you want to make use of on other platforms. So you can go to your TikTok, as you can see here, go to TikTok, pick up any video, look at this icon here. So you go to copy link. Okay, go to copy link, click on it. Now you go to the first platform I'm going to treat today, which is this HitPaw, hitpaw.com. So the links of these platforms will be on the video description, so make sure you check the video descriptions for the links of these platforms. So quickly, you go to this platform. Okay, when you come here, you will see paste authorized TikTok video link. So you just paste your TikTok video here. It's absolutely free. Paste it here, then you click remove. Okay, so you can decide to log in as well. I'm going to log in with my Gmail account. Okay, I want to log with my Gmail account so I can have access to the platform. Okay, I'm logged in now. As you can see, this is my profile here. So I just paste the video I've copied from TikTok, then I click remove. All right, so it's removing it. So you can make use of the free one, you can decide to use the paid one. So as you can see, the TikTok video, the TikTok icon is gone. As you can see, look from the original one, see the TikTok icon here, look at it. But on this one now, you can see there's nothing there anymore. So you can decide to download it. It's downloading. So like I said earlier, you can decide to pay for the monthly usage. You can pay for this package if you want to, or you can use it for free. I think the free package allows you to remove TikTok watermarks 3 times in a day. Yes, 3 times in a day. So that is for the free. But with these paid packages, so you also have unlimited. Okay, some of them have unlimited. You can use it as much as you can remove as much as you want to. Okay, it's downloaded. Okay, so let's play the video and see. Okay,
free food for the next 30 minutes.
So you can see the video is playing right now and there's no watermark here. You can see there's no watermark here. So let's check the original video on TikTok.
For the next 30
you can
minutes.
See the TikTok icon is always here. So that is how you can remove this TikTok icon from your videos, so I can repost them on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, okay, without having the label there. So that I promise you I will show you 3 platforms. So this is the first one, hitpaw.com. Then the next one is Snap Tik, snaptik.app. Don't worry, the link will be on the video description. Okay, so quickly let me show you how this one works too. This one is absolutely free. So let's look for another video to experiment. So let's use this for example. You can see the TikTok icon there. You can see the TikTok icon moving around. Okay, so let's check it out. So I go to this place, copy link. Okay, I go back to Snap Tik. I paste the link. Okay, download. Let's see how this one works. Okay. All right, so this is it. Click on, you can choose download server O2 or download. So let's just download. These are adverts. Okay, close the adverts. You can see it's downloading here. The download is completed. So let's open it and see. Yeah, as you can see, there's no more, the TikTok icon is no longer there. You can see. So this one too works very well as well. So let's check the original one. You can see the original one. You see the original one, the TikTok icon is always there. So and this is the one we just removed. You see, it works perfectly well. So check the video description so you can see the link, direct link to these places. So check the video description so you can get the direct link to this platform. So the third one I'm going to show you is this media.io. All right, so same process, upload video now, you can see, but to also do the same job, removing the TikTok icon and all that. But I will recommend these first two. Okay, I will recommend these first two, snaptik.app and hitpaw.com. Okay, so the link will be at the video description. So guys, that is all I have for you today. So you can make use of this platform to remove TikTok icons from your TikTok videos, so I can be able to repost them on your YouTube channel, on Facebook or Instagram. So okay, so make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you on next video. Thank you.